Hello everyone, my name is Rustania Belen Aryusiwi. Today I want to discuss about the special topic. The topic is Mother Nature. In a term, Mother Nature is a description of nature as a woman, especially mother. In Greek and Roman mythology, there are goddesses who considered protection and guard of the earth. In our country, Indonesia, Mother Nature call it Ibu Pertiwi. And maybe in each country they have a nickname of Mother Nature. Mother Nature is from power, whose power is beyond what humans can do. It can also be interpreted as a force that regulates the course of life, such as natural force such as rain, wind, volcano eruption, earthquake, and many more. Today, I also want to discuss about this picture. Okay, we can see in that picture that Mother Nature was cried, saw her own condition because the child, of course humans, destroy, and also the humans supposed to take care of her. When slowly nature began to deteriorate due to a lot of development without any reinvestment in nature, like recovery or doing something for nature. We can see in that picture that picture is related with our condition in our beloved earth. Yes, so that's Mother Nature and the damage befell her. Why in the picture the Mother Nature was cried? Of course, because the action of humans who don't know themselves. I mean, like they want to destroy nature for the sake of their own interest. And of course, it makes Mother Nature sad and cry. We can also know the good lesson from that picture that we must always protect our earth, because earth given life through nature, and we also don't feel comfortable. I mean, we also can pay attention about the nature. Sometimes humans realize when nature has slowly show their pain. For example, by bringing a disaster. Mother Nature have been alive for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than us. Mother Nature don't really need people, but people really need Mother Nature. Our future depends on Mother Nature. When she thrive, we thrive. When she fall, we fall, or maybe worse. She feeds so many species greater than us. Her ocean, her soil, her forest. They all can take us or leave us. So when we choose live each day, whether we regards or not regards, that doesn't matter for her. Our action will determine our fate, not Mother Nature. Thank you.